Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the 2019 $50,000 Home Makeover winner. This is Earl and Stephanie Bitz in Cherubusco, Indiana. One of the products we added to Earl and Stephanie's home was a brand new rain removal system. What I mean by that is the gutters that are hung up on the eaves and the downspouts that take the water out of the gutters and move them away from the foundation of your home. In parts of the house, Earl and Stephanie didn't even have any gutters. So we put up brand new 6-inch gutters around the house, plus 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts. The average gutter on a home is only 5 inches. By going with a 6-inch, we take 60% more of the water off the home and we distribute it away from the foundation twice as fast. If you'd like to find out more about how you may be the big winner in 2020, contact us at keyexteriors.com, fill out a form, send it in, and who knows, you may be the big winner in 2020.